This is the yarn. So sebo yiyo factory webagukolera machine yeguluka yiino.
Now the machine is.
This is knitting, eh?
Yeah. This is for the packing.
This is the material.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the packing, you can see here is the yarn is making the stitching.
The stitching. Yeah. For now, this is gonna become the grass.
The yarn is come from on this side. Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
And then it comes.
And we can go this side here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is my colleague.
Okay.
Right.
Hello.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you too. Nice meeting you too.
This way.
Yeah. Okay.
See
All right.
here.
Oba machine gy'otussaamu.
After making the stitches.
Yeah.
Like this. Yeah. Because here is the backing of the glass.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we go from this part like this.
Oh, so they just put two stitches and then it comes
stitching
out
and
here.
Come from this side. This
Oh,
is
okay.
the glass.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, be careful.
All right.
Here. This one is also for football one.
Yeah.
Football glass.
Okay.
If 50 mm one.
Okay. This is 50 millimeter.
Yes.
That the millimeters are the ones from
From the yarn only here.
from the
Here,
base
this side. Yeah.
to come out. That's
Yes,
50
yes.
millimeters.
Yeah, 50.
Okay. All right.
Right
Machine
here is
gundi
the
zizo.
white lights.
These are the lines.
Yeah.
Okay.
See the white lights is normally we will produce according the client's
Okay.
each size.
According to the size they give you, then you put the lines
Yeah,
for
we
them.
put the lights in.
Okay.
So when the client doing the installation, they don't need to cut
They
the
don't need
white
to-
lights.
yeah.
It will be more convenient for
For
the
you-
client.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It makes sense.
Like for Joshua,
Yeah.
the size. Once he confirm the size of his pitch, then
Yeah.
we will
You-
provide the drawing,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
design for his pitch.
Then you can
produce
put the
white
lines
lights.
in his while you're manufacturing his.
Yes, exactly.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
This is the semi-finished.
This is the one that is finished now.
It is semi-finished.
Semi-finished.
Yes.
You still need to do some
Yes,
finishing
because
on it.
The backing is not finished yet.
Oh,
From the
okay.
size.
All right.
Okay. This is the semi-finished.
Okay.
And in this part, because now it's not finished yet. After finish, we will move to this part.
Okay.
This is the gluing.
Okay.
Gluing part.
Okay.
It means in the backing.
Yeah.
In the backing, we need to use the glue.
The glue.
Yeah, to
Oh,
make
okay.
it
At the back,
strong.
yeah. I saw it can come out.
Yeah.
So you put the glue at the back.
And making the backing more stronger.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
like this.
Like this one here.
Yeah. This is also the material for the backing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
After we put the grass on this side.
Yeah.
And we glue.
You
we
glue it
brush
together.
The glue. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And after we brush the glue, and this is the drying machine.
Okay.
Here, this part is the drying machine.
That's the drying machine that side.
Yes. After gluing, and we need to dry the glue. Yeah. Yeah. This will be the final part.
This is going to be the final part.
Yeah. This is the drying area.
This is where it dries.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, exactly.
So tell me the sizes. You said that was 50 millimeters. What other size options do you have?
Like
This-
for
the-
50 millimeter, it is for the thickness of the glass.
Okay.
Yeah, like we have for different thickness, like 25 mm, 30
Yeah.
mm,
Yeah.
and
20,
35.
70, 75, 50.
No, it is the length.
Oh, you're
Length.
talking about the length.
Length,
Oh,
yes.
the thickness is only 50 millimeters.
No, have 50
Yeah.
and 40.
Yeah, 50, 40, 30. Oh, so
Yeah.
50 is the biggest.
Yes.
And
yes.
then going down.
Yes.
Okay, then the
exactly.
rest can be
The
the
rest
size
is customized.
customized according
like
to
this
the
one.
pitch size.
Yes.
Okay.
We check this one. Right here. This is one rose.
Yeah.
Right?
So,
This is 4 meters. This 2 meters by 2 meters.
oh, okay,
Yeah, this
2 by
2
2,
meters, yeah.
4 meters.
Yeah, 4 meters. And one rose, 2 colors. Can do 2
This
colors.
one feels different from that one.
Yeah, this one it is non-infused one. Non-infused one, you can see the density. It is much higher than the infused one. infused one, this one is also for football.
This one is also for football.
Yes.
So why this one, the density, what you said you call this one? This one, it's a bit dense. I can feel
Yeah,
you
it's
can't
more
even,
thick.
it's more thick. It's more like grass. The other one is a bit lighter.
Yeah, because this one, it is non-infused. Non-infused one, it means...
Non-infused?
Yeah.
What's that?
No need to infuse rubber in the sand. Like
Okay.
the one we saw a 50 mm, it is the infused one. Now,
Okay.
when we lay into the ground, we need to infuse some sand and the rubber.
Oh,
Yes,
on
exactly.
the other one, when you
Yes.
put on the ground,
Yeah.
you still need to put some rubber.
Rubber
and-
sand.
and
we
sand.
need to infuse sand first and then infuse rubber.
Okay.
Yeah, because the density of the infused grass is lower than this
Okay.
non-infused one.
So the other one, so what's the difference in pricing? This one is a bit more expensive
Yes,
than the other
yes,
one,
this one is more expensive.
but this
one.
is more bigger, good quality
Yeah.
than the other one. So if Joshua wants, but I think he knows. Me, I'm asking because I don't know, and I think
Yeah,
he
yeah.
will need to hear that information. But for what I get is, if he doesn't, this one you just buy. It's a plug and play. You just put in
Yeah,
a
no
pitch.
need to infuse anything.
No need to put anything.
Yes,
You don't need
yes,
to put
you
sand.
just need to lay it into the ground.
Lay it into
that's
the
it.
ground.
Yeah.
So this one saves him money to infuse and the cost of labor to infuse.
Yes, yes,
but the other
exactly.
one can be infused, but it needs it's a bit cheaper, but it needs labor to be infused.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
And the,
that
and
makes
the
sense.
maintenance of of this one, it is lower
Yeah,
than the
than
infused
the other one.
Because for the infused one, we need to, after the praying in the ground, after several months, you
Yeah.
need to infuse rubber from town to town. But this one, it doesn't
you
need.
don't need to. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think he will get that. The good thing is we're recording and he can hear all that. So this one is more green. This one is lighter green. Is there any reason to that?
This one, some clients prefer two colors because it looks more beautiful.
Oh,
Yeah,
so when
we
they
can
put
do one row
Yeah.
with four meters.
Yeah,
or
4
in- or
meters.
only one color.
Oh, I see that in a pitch sometimes where you
Yeah.
see there's some sort of like
Yes,
lines.
yes.
This is the effect here.
Yes.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
And this is the rolling. For
This
this
is-
size is for rolling.
To
For
roll?
packaging.
When you're packaging, they roll from
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Okay.
Like this. This size. Okay. The rolling like this.
Okay.
Yeah. From this
Roll
size.
it back.
And this is the finish.
Now this is the finished product, the
Yes,
one that is
all
going
these
to
are
be
finished.
shipped.
Yeah.
This one is going to be shipped. It's all finished product. Okay, so I think this is what he wanted to see.
Yeah.
He wanted to see that the company is there, the manufacturing is there, the products are there, and he's dealing with the right people.
Yeah.
And from there, yeah, I think the rest he can take it from him there.
And,
I can-
and in this time we also have the ready store for the Uganda.
Oh,
This
there's
is ready for shipping. But,
ready for shipping.
yeah.
Both. So let me ask you.
Yeah.
So there are two types. There's the infused,
Yeah.
And the
For
non-infused.
football, only two types.
only two types, infused
Yes.
and non-infused.
Yes.
So from the ready stock that you have, that is ready for Uganda,
Yeah.
you have both the types.
Yes.
You have both
But
the types.
This type is the non-infused one.
This is the non-infused one
For Uganda. Yeah.
for Uganda. Normally Uganda they take non-infused.
No. Some most.
Oh,
of the
this one
clients-
is already bought. It's going to Uganda.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's ready for shipping now.
oh. Okay.
Maybe the client you ask us to deliver to their warehouse.
Yeah.
in Guangzhou.
Yeah.
They have their own shipping agent.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. No, it makes sense. I think Joshua has had everything. Good thing I've recorded. I'll send him the video. And the company is here, so there's nothing he needs to be worried about.